What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here at Crypto Nation. Hey, if you're new here, it's totally free to subscribe and hit the like button for post notifications. Also, I just want to say thanks to all my recently new subscribers. It means a lot. And if PayPal and Cash App is always in the description. And support the channel, just $3 a month. And I'm going to show you guys my updated portfolio, and I get exclusive content to you guys first, especially when it comes to if finding new low cap gems coming up in a bull run. But anyways, let's get right on to it. So we got Bitcoin at 69,400. Ethereum is at 3,681. So allegedly yesterday there was the market kind of flash crash. I guess it was I guess you can call it market manipulation or whatever. The whole Roaring Kitty live stream that happened. I guess it was the live stream was a fail allegedly. I didn't watch the live stream. I think I saw bits and parts of it. I didn't watch it. Um, um, Honestly, to me, the guy looked like a clown. But anyways, I think it was really market manipulation that caused that. How they gonna let some live stream cause a market flash crash? It's kind of weird. It just shows what type of stuff goes on, buffoonery goes on in the community sometimes. But anyways, two of my positions went down. A lot of altcoins got hit yesterday. Bonk got hit. Um, Let me see. And Spell got hit as well. We went from what 12% of a penny back down to I think like 8 or something like that. It didn't look too good, but I had to went ahead and tweak my portfolio to my best. But ironically, um, two alts that did go up. We had Bonk. Excuse me, I mean Swift. Swift and Jasmine did pretty good. Despite this market manipulation that happened with the flash crash, um, Swift coin ironically went up. My portfolio somewhat printed. We're up. Let me see here. Look at that growth, man. 627% for the year. We're up 627% for the year. Look at that growth for Swift. I'm telling you guys, this is now we were at the all-time chart is down 89%. We went from like what 95. I remember at one point it was at 98% down. Now we're at 89 because it's keep going up. That all-time chart is looking better, but it's still down 89 over 89.65% for the all-time chart. But take a look at that 1 year chart though. It's straight. Over the last year, it printed 627%. Take a look at the 1 month. We're at 55% for the 1 month. That's pretty good. And for the last 7 days, this is really good. We're up 56 over 56.77% or 56.91% now for the 7 day. Like I said, about a week ago today, today's was Saturday, so about a week ago, we were at about what 48% of a penny, and a week later, look where we're at 73.207341. We're definitely heading up to a penny. I'm telling you guys, when we shoot up to a penny, it's going to happen so fast, people's not going to believe it. We're definitely heading up to a penny to 2 cents. Despite all the other alts that went down, Swift held my portfolio up pretty good. My portfolio actually went up somewhat because of this Swift. That's why Swift. I said it before. This is my biggest bag, and like I said, if it was up to me, honestly, I really wanted to go all in on Swift, but I got a couple other plays as well, and and I tweaked my portfolio where Bonk is now my second biggest bag now is Bonk, with about a little bit over 100 million tokens. And like I said, my goal with that one, I want to get up to 150 million. So I'm going to see what the price action happens with Bonk, whether it's going to continue to gap down and go up. But anyway, I'm going to do a separate video on Bonk. But anyway, Swift, man, we're doing pretty good, man. My portfolios over the last couple of days, actually went up despite the market crash, flash crash. Luckily Swift is my biggest position. But anyways, let me see here. And for the day, we're up. How much we're up for the day? Okay, we're up a little bit over 8% for the day. That's pretty good. When you look at what we did for the week and the month, we're up over 50 some percent. It's like I said, this is just the beginning with Swift. We're inbound. We're inbound to a. We're definitely going to be inbound to a penny. Like I said, Swift is doing exactly what Jasmine did months back, but even better. But I think when we finally hit a penny, I think once we finally hit a penny, I think we're gonna fly to like 3, 4, 5 cents. It's not gonna take as long as for us to get to like 4 or 5 cents. Kind of like Jasmine did. We're gonna get there pretty fast, I believe. There's already rumors that Bitcoin and ETH is gonna recover after this market manipulation flash crash that happened with that stupid live stream that happened yesterday. That was obviously some buffoonery, like I said, that happened. But anyways, this is opportunity to to pick up more coins, I guess. This is definitely going to be opportunity to some altcoins are back at discount prices. Like I'm looking at Spell. Spell is at went back down to like what 8, 9% of a penny. But yeah, let's see here. Check out the community. Okay, check out our community here. Let's see here. Like I said, this is the beginning. Our community's grown. More content creators is talking about Swift. Definitely looking good. This is from some of the messages from yesterday. Like I said, this whole all chain bridge. Now let's talk about the actual the tokenomics and market cap. There's been some conflicting information about the market cap and tokenomics. Apparently, um, CoinGecko shows a higher market cap, but it shows that is 8.9 billion in the circulation. That's what CoinGecko shows. But CoinMarketCap, shows has different information on Swift. With as far as the tokenomics data and market cap. So I'm going to CoinGecko right now. So CoinGecko shows the market cap being higher, but the tokenomics. Let me see here. Okay, CoinGecko showing 65 million market cap now, and 8.9 billion is in circulation of the 10 billion that's in the total supply. Some people said this is not the right information. I don't know. Some people believe this is the right information, but I've been using CoinMarketCap for a long time, but CoinGecko for some reason, sometimes they have the same information on different tokens, but for some reason for Swift, uh, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko shows two different conflicting information on tokenomics and the market cap. And like I said, CoinMarketCap shows only 4 billion in circulation, but CoinGecko shows 8.9. So I don't know who to believe at this point. Lately, I've been taking the information off CoinGecko. Either way it goes, still a low market cap. And CoinMarketCap right now is showing a 20. CoinMarketCap is showing a 28 million market cap versus the 65 million market cap. So I don't know who got it right. If anybody can comment below, Sometimes it's hard to tell, but I don't really know who got it right, whether it's Coin Market Cap or Coin Gecko. I started off, like I said, I started off using going by Coin Market Cap. I've been using Coin Market Cap from the beginning to get information, but CoinGecko is showing different. But I heard that a while back somebody told me that CoinGecko's information is more accurate. But either way it go, it's still good market cap and good tokenomics with Swift. Like I said, we're definitely gonna be heading up to a penny. Um, I can see it happening possibly within the next. I can see us hitting a penny before this month is over. Within the next couple of weeks or this before this month is over, hitting a penny then five. We could possibly. I'm looking at possibly 5 cents by July, maybe mid-July, mid to late July. We could possibly see 5 cents, or it can happen before that. But it's crypto. We never know. What can happen. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button for post notifications if you can support the channel. But yeah, that's my update on Swift. It looked like it retraced a little bit. We was just at 73% of a penny, then we pulled back. We retraced back to 71, but that's fine. That's what crypto does. Um, but yeah, it's looking we're heading in the right direction, man. Like the video that I posted, like I called this over a week ago. When we were still in the 40s, in the late 40s, like 46, 47. I say it's only going to be a matter of time. We're going to get up in the 50s, get in the 60s, but lo and behold, we hit the 70s. Amazing. Honestly, didn't expect for us to hit the 70s like within a week. From 47% of a penny to 73. Let's take a look at that. Let's go back. Let me see here. Let's go back to that week chart, the 7 day chart. So about 6, 7 days ago, we were right here, 47, 48% of a penny. And I called it. I was like, yeah, we're gonna get up to the 50s and then the early 60s. But lo and behold, like I said, we hit 73. We got up to actually, I think we possibly hit 74 because my portfolio was a little bit higher earlier this morning. Then it retraced and pulled back. So we could have, I believe that we possibly even hit 74, 75% of a penny. But like I said, guys, and that was a week ago. We were in the 40s. So Swift, man, it's I just like the way it's outperforming the market after the manipulation flash crash that happened yesterday. Swift, it stood and held its own. The same with Jasmine. Telling you, Swift, this is going to make a lot of people make some big gains. But anyways, that is my update on Swift. Um, like I said, I kind of predict honestly, but I ain't gonna lie, I didn't predict it was gonna do this well. And within a week, honestly, I knew we were gonna head up eventually in the 50s, whatever. But I didn't even know we were gonna hit the 70s, the early 70s within a week. So my prediction actually, um, it's like I actually it did better than what I predicted Swift was going to do in the future. You know what I mean? Which is good. So uh, we, you look at that 1 week chart, man. That looks, man. It printed, man. We printed in that 1 week. So our community's grown at this point. Swift. Um, Anybody try to FUD our community, try to FUD us at this point, they're just trolling at this point. They're just trolling so people can sell and then they can try to get in at a cheaper price. That's all it is. That's how people play this game in crypto. But anyways, at this point, nobody can FUD us, man. The proof is in the pudding. This is probably one of the best utility low caps on the market, traded on these exchanges, Qcoin, Gig.io, OKS, and Coinbase. Like I said, I mentioned Binance is still not listed on Binance, but which is totally fine. Um, if you look at that year chart, do you think we actually need Binance? You look at that 1 year chart, you look at that growth, went from over what 10,500 wallet holders to like we're almost at what we're shooting up to I think about 29,000. I think pretty soon we'll probably be up to 30K wallet holders soon. I believe, we'll be up to 30K wallet holders within a month or so. But anyways, our community's grown. Let's go Swift. Swift coin together strong. But yeah, thanks everybody for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, support the channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Swift to the moon, then Mars.